Ever wondered why your stomach growls when you're hungry? It's not just complaining, it's actually your digestive system at work. Your stomach and intestines constantly move food, gas, and fluids through a process called peristalsis. When your stomach is empty, these movements become louder because there's nothing to muffle the sound. Plus, when you're hungry, your brain signals your digestive system to prepare for food, making the muscles contract even more, leading to those loud, awkward growls. Now you know. When someone asks why our stomachs growl when we're hungry, you'll have the answer ready to impress them. And remember, if your stomach growls in a quiet room, just pretend it's your new ringtone.
Subscribe for your daily Whys to Why Explained.